níbo là ń lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà níbo là ń lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà báyìí níbo ni àwọn olórí wa ń tu ọkọ̀ wa lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà báyìí Nàìjíríà ti wá di ìlú agbénipa Nàìjíríà ti wá di ìlú kidnapper Nàìjíríà ti wá di ìlú górígórí Nàìjíríà ti wá di ìlú tó jẹ́ wípé àwọn èèyàn ò lè sùn àwọn èèyàn ò lè wo kódà o ò lè jáde freely kó o wọlé padà freely mọ́ nígbà tá a ṣì wà ní kékeré a máa ń jáde bó ṣe ń wù wá a máa ń rìn bó ṣe ń wù wá a máa ń sùn níta lálẹ́ tí kò bá síná a máa ń tẹ́ni síta a máa ń sùn níta a máa ń ṣeré òṣùpá ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà àgàgà àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá níbo là ń bá Nàìjíríà lọ kò sí gbogbo orú àwọn eré báyìí mọ́ ń ta ó ti wá di kó lórí sórí ó ti di kó lọ́mọ ṣọmọ ó ti di kó jáde ńlé ńsìn káwọn èèyàn máa fàdúrà sìn ẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó padà wọlé láyé àtàlàáfíà ìlú Nàìjíríà ti wá di ìlú tó jẹ́ wípé tó o bá fẹ́ jáde láàárọ̀ o ò ní confidence o ò ní 100% assurance pé o máa padà wọlé mọ́ lálẹ́ ó dìgbà tó bá padà wọlé lálẹ́ kó tó ṣe alihamudulilayi Jésù Kristi ó ṣe Ifá Ọ̀rúnmìlà orí mi rè o mo dúpẹ́ pé mo jáde láàárọ̀ mo pàdé wọlé ní alẹ́ níjọ́ wo la fẹ́ ṣe gbogbo eléyìí dà níjọ́ wo la fẹ́ ṣe gbogbo eléyìí dà ọmọbìnrin kan ni mo tún kọ́ máa kọ́ sí fídíò ẹ̀ bó ṣe escape lọ́wọ́ àwọn kidnapper gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí yìí orí yín ò ní gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ ẹ di orí yín mú ẹ di ẹlẹ́dàá yín mú ẹ máa sọ wípé orí mi má gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ ìṣẹ̀dá mi má gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ ẹlẹ́dàá mi má gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ torí pé kí ni orí lẹja fi ń la ibújá orí mi máa ṣègbè lẹ́yìn mi ibi gbogbo tí n bá ti ń lọ ìwọ orí mi máa tẹ̀lé mi lọ ìwọ ẹlẹ́dàá mi má padà lẹ́yìn mi gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí yìí orí yín ò ní gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ ẹ ṣàmì àdúrà ìṣẹ̀dá yín ò ní gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ ẹ ṣàmì àdúrà ẹ jẹ́ ká wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu arábìnrin tẹ́ ń wò níwájú amóhùnmáwòrán yìí tó wọ aṣọ rẹ́ẹ̀dì yẹn òun gangan ni orí kó yọ òun gangan ló ṣe àtẹ̀sítímọ́nì yìí ẹ wá gbọ́ bí orí ṣe kó yọ ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́gbọ́n látara ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ látara ẹ̀ bó tiẹ̀ ti lè jẹ́ pé gbogbo information tá a mú wá sórí ìkànnì yìí a fi ń kọ́gbọ́n a fi ń kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí yìí ẹ ò ní jìn sófin ayé ẹ ò ní ṣìrìn ẹ ò ní ráàrin fẹsẹ̀ sìn ẹ ò mà ní rìn níjú ebi ń pọ̀ dán ṣé ẹ rí ọmọkùnrin tẹ́ ń wò ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ yẹn òun ni arábìnrin tó dọ́gbọ́n snap ní gbogbo ìrìn àjò yẹn ó jẹ́ ọmọ tó yẹ pé ó smart ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ ojú arákùnrin tẹ́ ń wò yẹn ara àwọn kidnapper yẹn nìyẹn o ara àwọn kidnapper yẹn òun lẹ inú ọkọ̀ náà wà yẹn o ọmọbìnrin yẹn dọ́gbọ́n ṣe fídíò yẹn òun ló gbọ́dọ̀ dọ́gbọ́n ṣe kámẹ́rà yẹn ó píṣọ arákùnrin yẹn ojú ẹ̀ lẹ́ ń wò yẹn èmi ò mọ̀ but ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ̀ ẹ sá fún àbí kẹ́ ẹ fà wọ́n lé agbófinró lọ́wọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí arábìnrin yẹn sọ lórí bí Ọlọ́run ṣe kó yọ.
This is Rejoice of Rejoice Screen and I'm here to share my story with you. I don't even know where to start from, but I'll be very, very brief about the story because I want people to learn from my experience, and at the same time, everybody should be careful because here in Nigeria, we still have people that do evil. So today I left a particular village in Ogun State. I was coming back to Ibadan, so I dropped at interchange. It was my guys, Ato Lifestyle, Adventure of Jazzy, Killer, and Mr. Jide that we were in the car. So I dropped at interchange. I was about to board another bus heading to Ibadan because they were going to another part of Ogun State. To cut the long story short, when I got there, I didn't get, I saw a car and a bus. So I was just like, oh, car is always faster. We all know, public transport in Nigeria, buses are always very slow. So compared to a car. So when I saw the car, I stopped the car and I was like, Ibadan. And the driver said, 1,500, and I said 1,000. He said no, 1,200, and later I agreed that 1,200. Meanwhile, in that car, there were 2 passengers already, and there was someone at the front and 1 person at the back.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbọ́ èdè Òyìnbó mo máa narrate ẹ̀ fún yín ní Yorùbá ẹ má torí ẹ̀ kẹ́ skip fídíò yìí mo máa ẹ lè máa wò pé English lélẹ́yìn sọ àgbọ̀n nǹkan tó ń sọ mo máa narrate ẹ̀ fún yín ní Yorùbá ẹja máa gbẹ̀rẹ̀ náà.
So I didn't see any issue about the whole car when I entered because it was just 3 men. So, and it's not my first time that I will be entering car or bus filled with men. That I might even be the only lady inside. So, as we move a little bit, I just discovered that the guy sitting right beside the driver was saying, "Driver, me too now 1,000 naira will pay." What's the difference between where you picked me from and where you picked this lady from, and you agreed to 1,000 naira? And they were just, arguing. They were having a conversation. I don't want to call it argument. It's just like a conversation, right? And the driver was like, for 1,500, which means drop if you know you cannot go with me for the amount we agreed on. And the man by the right hand side, that's the driver's side, he said, "Oh yeah, let's go," and we keep moving. And just like 5 to 7 minutes drive, like on a very high speed, the man sitting beside me was just like, "Oh, I want to drop when we get to so place." We've not gotten to Giri at this point, but we were close. So he said he wants to drop. Oh, why not? And he gave the driver money. When he gave the driver money, the driver just came up with a question. Kilo wa lẹ́yìn mọ́tò yẹn.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré narrate ẹ̀yin fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ English ni o. Arábìnrin yẹn ní òun lọ sí Ìbàdàn. Ó dàbẹ̀ ni pé ó wọ mọ́tò nínú Abẹ́òkúta ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Nígbà tó dé interchange òun níbi tí bíi garage ẹ jẹ́ ká lò ní garage English ẹ̀ ni òun lò ní pé interchange ibòmíì wọ́n ń pè ní change spot ibi tó ń pè ní interchange change spot ibi tó yẹ pé tó bá ti wọ mọ́tò débì kan ó máa bọ́lẹ̀ ní bus stop bóyá garage ibi tó àwọn mọ́tò pọ̀ sí garage ni gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí garage yà ẹ jẹ́ kí n lò pé garage níbi tó ti máa wọ mọ́tò míì ó lóun á wò pé instead tó máa fi wọ bus ò kí ń fast kò dẹ̀ kí n tètè ń kún jẹ́ kó ń wo taxi ó lóun á lọ wọ taxi yẹn tó ń pe Ìbàdàn ó nígbà tó ń débẹ̀ ó lóun rí pé àwọn méjì náà wà nù taxi yẹn ọkùnrin méjì ìkan jókòó síwájú ìkan jókòó sí ẹ̀yìn òun join ni wọn ó ní bóun ṣe join ni wọn ó ní ọkùnrin mi náà tún join ni wọn so bóyá wọ́n pé mẹ́ta àbí mẹ́rin ṣá nínú ọkọ̀ yẹn ó ní wọ́n move ó ní nígbà tí driver yẹn sọ pé 1,500 ní fóun tóun ná sí 1,200 ó ní ẹni tó jókòó sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ òun lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ driver sọ wípé báwo ló ṣe máa gbé òun ní iye tó gbé òun yẹn tó wá gbé lẹ́yìn ní 1,200 pé kí ni difference ibi tó ti gbé òun yàtọ̀ síbi tí o ti gbé lẹ́yìn ó ló wá ń sọ fún yẹn pé tó bá ti mọ̀ wípé o ò lè sọ iye tó ń sọ fún ẹ pé kó san o lè bọ́lẹ̀ kó máa lọ àṣé gbogbo wọn jọ mọ́ra wọn kàn ń lo conversation yẹn láti fi confuse ọmọge yẹn ni wọ́n nígbà tó wá ń lọ ní ojú ọ̀nà wọ́n ní bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn máa ń sọ pé òun ò dé ògèrè mọ̀ pé àwọn tẹ̀tí ìdògèrè máa pé òun máa bọ́lẹ̀ ní ojú ọ̀nà ẹ máa gbọ́ lọ.
And the passenger that wanted to drop was like, "I have a load, ẹrù mi ló wà lẹ́yìn." And I was like, "Okay, those people that dropped before you, that they already carried the load." And I was like, "No, I'm very sure my bag is there." And they started one thing. Before I know, the guy that was sitting beside me was like, "You have to tell," no, the driver said, "You have to tell me what you have in your bag, blah, blah, blah." Before I know, they were just, in my own distance, it's none of my business. I don't know where you guys came from. I was just looking at them. I was not saying anything. To cut the long story short, the guy sitting right beside me started begging that, about $150,000 ló wà ńbẹ̀ àti Kano ni mo ti ń bọ̀ ọ̀gá mi kú sí Saudi Arabia. In my head, I was listening to all this conversation and we were still moving. So he was telling the driver that, "Please drop, collect your money, let me pick my bag and go." And the driver was like, tó ṣe kọ́nà pàtí dá mi dúró ń kọ́, ṣé ẹ fẹ́ kó bá mi ni? Báwo lè ṣe máa gbó sẹ́yìn mọ́tò mi? Tẹ́ni sọ fún mi. I was seeing all their dramas, and the guy that was sitting right beside the driver was like, he speaks like an Igbo man, but I'm very sure that he's not an Igbo man. But he speaks like Igbo man, and he even speaks Igbo, like pure Igbo, because one thing is, I cannot speak, but I understand. I understand Hausa as well, but I cannot speak. So I was
ǹjẹ́ gbọ́ bí ọmọbìnrin yẹn ṣe ń explain lọ ẹ wo brain tí wọ́n fi ń wọlé sí ọmọbìnrin yẹn lára and to me ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ọpọlọ gbé ṣé ó possible níbi tí ilé ayé gbédè yìí kó o gbé adúrú owó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn dání kó o tún sì máa wá bá àwọn èèyàn wọ Tyson papọ̀ ṣó make sense ṣó make sense o gbé adúrú owó tó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn dání o tún sì ń bẹ èèyàn wọ Tyson papọ̀ ibi tó ṣe rí ní ilé ayé yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rìn pẹ̀lú ọpọlọ wa lóòótọ́ kò sẹ́ni tó gbọ́n tán kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ tán but irú àwọn nǹkan báyìí náà àfi ń kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àfi ń kọ́gbọ́n ni Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká rìn fẹsẹ̀ sí Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká rìn ju ebi ń pọ̀ nà ṣe irú àwọn nǹkan báyìí ó máa ń attract àwọn tó bá láìkì owó lẹlòmíì láìkì tó sùn débi tó délé ni ká ní irú ọmọbìnrin yẹn ká ló bá lọ láìkì owó ni kówó ràn mọ́ lójú owó tó mọbi tó ti ń bọ̀ owó tó fojú rí o kàn fetí gbọ́ ni kó náà wá sọ pé o fẹ́ join ni wọn ká lọ́mọbìnrin yẹn bá join ni wọn ni orí àgbàbọ̀dé and then nǹkan tó tún wá fún ọmọbìnrin yẹn ní ara báwo ló ṣe máa sọ pé òun gbowó bọ̀ ọ̀gá ẹ kú ó kú sí Saudi Arabia ó wá gbowó ẹ̀ǹgbà tó bá gbowó yẹn ẹ wo ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ lọ.
And be like, okay, we have to share. But let's think, and the guy that was sitting beside the driver was speaking English. He didn't speak Yoruba at all. Not to, give any clue or anything. To cut the long story short, we were close. And we were close to Gary. And the driver slowed down and it was like, okay, now you know what? Let's finalize. What do you want to do and all of that? And it was even the guy that speaks like Igbo or that call himself to be Igbo that was like, okay, so what do you want to do for us? Since there's this big money in this car now, this is our own turn. It is our blessing. What do you want to do for everyone here? And the driver was like, assuming you told me that you have such money in the bag, me on it be a sister here now. I will not carry this man. And I was like, okay. I was not even ready to add anything into the conversation because if there's anything, I don't do too much talking. I live my life like a man. If you don't call, even if you call me, I might just to look at you and I will just keep quiet. To cut the long story short, they were already planning on how to share the money. And the man that was not sitting beside me that ought to drop, the passenger, was not like, bag away. Then you have to walk home. That's the word.
If you talk to four,
like 3 times. Then in my head, I processed it. You carried the money and put in driver's boot, right? And you said, I was not ready to say, I was even ready to drop. The driver was not like, at this place you cannot drop. And I looked left, right, center. I noticed that we were purely in the bush. So I had to cooperate with them and move to where we can see people moving. It was now the next turn and they were like, okay, they know one Alafa, that if there was a way they used to protect something like in the north, that, if you want to protect your properties, that thieves will not move closer to it. There's always a siege that they can put on it and all of that. In my head, I already know that, but one chance. I was praying at the same time. I had to quickly reach out to Otto Lysel and be like, Baba, be like, I don't enter one chance because I know that I must not call my family at this point in time. I know some of my friends I must not tell because they will bombard me with calls. They want to know what's up. So I just told my sister that was at home that please pray for me. And I messaged Otto Lifestyle. And he said, what's your share live location? I was doing that. While I was on my phone doing that, they were like, Auntie, enter phone. Kilo Shele. They were trying to be very conscious and know what. So I was just like, oh, me, I'm pressing my phone. What's my own business? Please, can we move? They had to turn. And they were like, they were calling one Alafa. So I had to allow them to turn back because where we were bush, like no, like it was just trailers that were passing. Nobody is moving by the roadside that even if you scream for help, no one gonna help you because that is something very close or something similar to that, but it was at night at that same interchange. I was just like, okay, they said they want to turn back to interchange. They want to pick the Alpha that will take away the siege that is placed on that money. Then they can share. In fact, they were asking me that, do I know someone that can take something up? I said, I have no idea. They were not like, but the driver was like, Omo Muslim ni mi, Awe Ramadan ni mo gba lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. He was just swearing, said Omo Òṣogbo ni mi, Omo Òkè-Fíà bí Àlàáfíà. I can't even remember, but I know that particular side of Òṣogbo. Through that, because I wanted them to be very free so that they would be like, okay, we are on the same page. I had to flow with them so that we can get to where we have people. To cut the long story short, before we go to interchange, when they were speaking to the Alpha already said, am I worried? He said, the driver said, don't worry, you know what, when you call the Alpha, it was the Igbo man that was calling the Alpha now. He said he has somebody. And he said, oh, don't worry. By the time I called this Alpha, the Alpha, when he was not speaking with the Alpha now said, we are families. They are fighting on land and they put one jazz on the land. And they said, oh, yeah, you know this one do not know how to speak Yoruba very well. He only understand. I was like, God, may they not pick my voice. You know when you are praying so badly, and I was just begging my head, my kicking sharing. To cut the long story short, guys, we got very close to interchange, and this is the driver that said he doesn't know the Alafa. It was the Igbo man that said, I know the Alafa. And the Alafa said, oh, I'm traveling, I'm going to Ife. Mo want interchange, Motisuma interchange. And I just saw, before on that space of all these things that happen is not even up to, it's not up to 15 minutes. This guy already came. So the other man that was sitting behind me was your passenger. I'm one of your passenger. How come you know the Alafa? And he backed and he said, oh yeah, well listen, no. The moment I said no, enter, I will sit by the door side. When we got to interchange, they just speed up under that bridge and climb. They wanted to turn back. They said, it seems that we are going to Ibadan. Let's just go and turn. I said, I want to buy water. That's the first thing that came to my brain that I should say. Then when we wanted to say, I want to say, don't worry, Tabago Pegori Bridge. Then I was like, share your money, share your shaking conny. I said, I need to know when we were very close to that, what's called the bridge side, where the sellers, if you are heading to Abeokuta or if you are going to Shagam, you know that bridge. If you are conversant with that area, you will know exactly where I'm talking about. I said, drop me. Drop me. And that moment, the Igbo man, you know, when the Alafa entered, he entered to the front seat. The driver was right beside, you know, the driver's seat. And the guy that said he brought money from Kano was sitting very close to the window side. Then the Igbo guy was sitting in the middle. Now I'm very close to the other door side. I was just like, it was more or less like they pushed me down. And that moment, the rate at which they speed up, because one thing that came to my head is I should try and take the plate number because I know that at least with plate number this something can be done, but I couldn't. But I was able to take pictures of them, like a short video of them, even though I could not record because the guy that was sitting beside me was trying to put all his eyes inside my phone. And you know, I could not do a lot with my phone at that point in time, but I was still.
ẹ lólùfẹ́ mi mo rò pé ẹ ń fọkàn bá ọmọbìnrin yẹn lọ bí Ọlọ́run ṣe kó yọ. ṣé rí nǹkan tí mo kàn fẹ́ sọ fún wa ni pé ṣé rí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà a ní láti dìde o níbi tọ́rọ̀ gbé dé yìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo tún bẹ̀ yín ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn kan jàǹfààní fídíò yìí kí gbogbo wa ká lè máa mọ bí tẹ́ àti máa ṣọ́ra wa ká lè mọ irú ọkọ̀ tá a fẹ́ máa wọ̀. Lóòótọ́ ó wà nínú ọkọ̀ elérò púpọ̀ náà o torí àti rí ọkọ̀ elérò púpọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n kàn wá gbogbo wọn lọ sínú igbó àfikọ́ lọ́hún máa ṣọ́ wa. kò síbi tó wá safe mọ́ ní Nàìjíríà báyìí ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe ẹ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV ẹ jẹ́ ká tó máa jẹ ìgbádùn ètò yìí because ibi tọ́rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ń lọ yìí sìn kò yé everybody Ọlọ́run tí n bá ní ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà yóò sú mi irọ́ pátápátá gbà òun ni mò ń pa alólórí aníjọba alọ́lọ́pàá alólógun kò sẹ́ni tá a wá fẹ́ fẹ̀yìntì mọ́ wọn ò lè gbà wá mọ́ wọn ò lè gbà wá mọ́ àìmọye ẹni tó ń jáde tí ò padà wọlé ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ìtókù bí arábìnrin ṣe conclude ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀.
Story would have turned to another thing. Probably they would have been looking for me or something. It was later when I dropped that I called Anto and he called me rather and was like, were you able to drop? I said yes. We did video call and he said, relax. They are this, they are that, and all of that. But I know that because even inside the car, the moment they picked the Alafa brought out jazz. I mean, confirm, see, when I see jazz, I know jazz. And I was just like, you know that moment that you have to just speak to your creator, talk to your God properly. You know, the beautiful thing is, I remember saying, I don't get mama, I can't say my mama, make you no sleep, I will not even lie, I'm traumatized. Right now, I don't even think I really want to jump on anything, traveling or something. But this is a message. Please, if you see them talking about gold, money, and all of that inside the car, please just shut your mouth and find a way to drop. Because the truth remains that it's either they want to use you, they want to kidnap you, they want to steal from you, or they even want to, they will do as many evil as they can think of.
Get Bobby Arabirin, she escaped. Gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí a ò kú ní ràrìn fẹsẹ̀ sí lórúkọ Jésù a ò kúkú ní ràrìn fẹsẹ̀ sí ìjáde ìwọlé wa Ọlọ́run á máa pamọ́ lágbára Èdùmàrè ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo àwa tá bá ti ń wọ mọ́tò ẹ jẹ́ ká máa kíyèsára orí wa ò ní gbàbọ̀dé o ìṣẹ̀dá wa ò ní gbàbọ̀dé a ò ní rìnrìn àjò àìpadà wọlé padà Ọlọ́run á máa fi ìṣọ́ ẹ̀ṣọ́ wa ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà yìí ó ti wá débi tó lóògùn gbé ń sá o mo tún bẹ̀yìn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká share fídíò yìí kí àwọn èèyàn lè jàǹfààní ẹ̀ káká àwọn èèyàn lè tó kọ́gbọ́n kọ́ tó kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ díẹ̀ lára ẹ̀ bó ti lè jẹ́ pé oríṣiríṣi ọ̀nà òun ni a tún gbọ́ wípé wọ́n fi ń jí àwọn èèyàn gbé báyìí sí mo tún mú another one bọ̀ wá fún yín another information mi mo tún mú bọ̀ wá fún yín láìpẹ́ yìí ọ̀nà tó tún ti ń gbà tún jí àwọn èèyàn oríṣiríṣi ọ̀nà ni wọ́n ń gbà báyìí o ìyẹn ni ẹ̀rù ṣe wá ń bà mí pé ǹjẹ́ àwa níjọba báyìí ǹjẹ́ a níjọba níjọba Ọlọ́run ṣé àwọn ìjọba tá a ní ìjọba ìdíbàjẹ́ ó kàn mí bẹ́ẹ̀ bá lè kú kẹ́ ẹ kú bẹ́ẹ̀ bá lè yè kẹ́ ẹ yè òun náà wọn ìjọba tẹ́ta ní tẹ́ta àpò tí wọ́n bá ti ń kún tí àwọn bá ti ń ṣe nǹkan táwọn fẹ́ ṣe rí kí ẹ aráàlú health aráàlú safety aráàlú kò jẹ wọ́n lógún àtọ́ kò jẹ àwọn ìjọba wa lógún ó dàbẹ̀ ní pé àsìkò tí wàá tó káwa youth náà ká dìde ká fight fún safety ara wa ìjọba tí ò bá ti lè kí àlá lórí safety wa ẹ jẹ́ ká clear àwọn dànù a ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tipẹ́tipẹ́ mi ò lè wá kú kò lè joyè lé bàbẹ́ o mi ò lè wá kú kò lè joyè lé bàbẹ́ ṣé rí gbogbo àwọn ìlú tí àwọn ń kú wa àwọn brother wa àwọn sister wa tí wọ́n ń sá lọ yẹn táwọn yẹn ò bá jà fún ìlú wọn àwọn ò ní lè máa sá lọ síbẹ̀ o ẹ jẹ́ káwa náà jà fún ìlú títí wa káwọn èèyàn náà nílẹ̀ máa wá ṣe tourism nílùú títí wa nínú gbogbo ìlú in the whole world Nàìjíríà ni òun ni ò safe báyìí ó jẹ́ number 1 ìlú tó yẹ pé kò safe àwọn èèyàn yìí lè sọ pé nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú wa o ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré lọ sí Nàìjíríà ó dàbẹ̀ ní pé from fry pan to fire ni níbo làwọn bá Nàìjíríà lọ adẹ̀là níjọba alólógun alọ́lọ́pàá anóríṣiríṣi àwọn ẹ̀ṣọ́ aláàbò wọn ò jẹ́ kán work wọn ò jẹ́ kán ṣiṣẹ́ faraàlú wọn kàn jíyàn gbé lọ́tún wọn ń jíyàn gbé lọ́sìn nítorí owó ẹ wo bọ́mọbìnrin ṣe escape ní ara àwọn kidnapper yẹn òun lẹ̀ ń wò lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọbìnrin yẹn nínú taxi ń bẹ̀ òun lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn gbogbo tó ń wò mí Ọlọ́run máa fi ṣe ẹ̀ṣọ́ gbogbo wa o oore wo ní gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kẹ́lẹ́ bá mi subscribe fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́lẹ̀ subscribe ẹ subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV kájọ máa jẹ ìgbádùn ètò yìí lọ mo tún mú mi bọ̀ àṣírí mi tí ọ̀dọ̀ Oríyọmí tú mo tún mú bọ̀ wá fún yín ire o.